These wire and twig sculpture videos are getting millions of views across social media. The best part is that this niche is still relatively untapped, which means there's a great opportunity to start creating this type of content before it becomes overcrowded. In this video, I'll show you the complete workflow for creating these videos absolutely free. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll need is the master prompt I've prepared for you. You'll find the download link in the description. Copy the entire prompt exactly as it is. Don't leave out any section because every part of the prompt helps generate the complete workflow. After copying it, open Claude AI, paste the prompt into the chat box, and click Send. Within a few seconds, Claude AI will generate 10 different wire and twig sculpture ideas. It also allows you to enter your own custom subject if you want to create something unique. For this tutorial, I'm using Tiger as my example. Once you click Generate, Claude AI creates a complete content package for the tiger sculpture. It first generates a detailed main subject prompt describing the appearance of the tiger. Then, it creates 5 image prompts, 5 matching video prompts, a complete voiceover narration script, and even a ready-made title and description for your video. With just one prompt, most of your work is already done. Now copy the entire main subject prompt and open Google Flow AI. Switch to the image generation model. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, select the number of images you want, and make sure you're using the Nano Banana Pro model. Paste the prompt and click Generate. After a few seconds, your main tiger reference image will be ready. Now return to Claude AI and copy the first image prompt. Back inside Google Flow AI, upload your tiger reference image, paste the first image prompt, and generate the image. This creates the first stage of the sculpture while keeping the tiger's appearance consistent. Next, copy the second image prompt. Use the same reference image again, paste the prompt, and generate the next scene. You'll notice that the design stays consistent from one image to the next. Continue using this exact workflow for all the remaining image prompts until all 5 images are complete. Take a look at the results. Now it's time to animate them. Go back to Claude AI and copy the first video prompt. Open Google Flow AI, switch to the image to video model, upload your first image, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. After a short wait, your first animation will be ready, showing the beginning stage of building the tiger sculpture. Repeat the same process for the remaining 4 images by using their matching video prompts. Once every animation has finished generating, download all of the video clips. Now return to Claude AI one final time and copy the narration script. For voice generation, I'm using Google AI Studio. Paste the narration script, choose the voice that fits your style, adjust the settings if needed, and click Run. After the voiceover is generated, download the audio file. Next, open your preferred video editor. Import all the generated video clips and arrange them in the correct sequence. Then place the voiceover on the timeline. Trim any awkward moments, remove unnecessary frames, add a few simple transitions if you like, and sync the visuals with the narration. Once everything looks good, export the final video.
What if a tiger could be built from nothing but bark, twigs, and fallen leaves? It starts with a single strand of wire, bent, shaped, and given the quiet promise of a crouching predator. Twig by twig, the muscle takes form. Moss settles into the shadows. Then, leaf by leaf, burnt orange and rust bloom into stripes, each one placed with patience only nature could inspire. A whisper of pampas grass becomes whiskers. 2 small stones become eyes that seem to watch you back. What began as scattered material now crouches, alive with text back. What began as scattered material now crouches.
That's it. You've successfully created a professional wire and twig sculpture video completely for free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to AI Excentra because I have many more viral AI content ideas coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.